Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy paste style only in Looker Studio. Let's begin. In Looker Studio, you can copy and paste styles from one component to another to ensure consistency across your report. Now, this feature allows you to copy visual formatting like fonts, colors, borders, etc. without altering the data or structure of the component. Okay, so here's how you can copy paste style only on Looker Studio. Now make sure first that you are on the editor view, because if you're just on the viewer view, you're not going to be able to copy paste style only. Then head over to the page that you wanted to do that. Now in this case, I have two data sets here. What I wanted is to copy the paste style only here on this next data. What I'm going to do is simply right click on this data here. I want you to copy, okay, and then afterward what will happen is go to the data that you're going to paste that, but instead right click, click on paste special and click on paste style only. All right, just wait for it. You see the changes, right? Oh, so let's do that again. If you wanted to, maybe let's add another chart here. I'm going to select another one here. Maybe a stack column chart. Just this one. Okay, let me delete that. I'm going to another chart. Maybe a table. Then the next one is going to be something like maybe a bar chart. Okay, so copy that and again paste it here and then paste style only. Let's wait for it. Now, if it's still not happening, click this and click on refresh data. All right. Now, basically, that's how you copy paste style only here in Looker Studio. The thing is, instead of, manually getting the setting for each visual property for every component, you can design one component and replicate it across others. Now, this reduces repetitive tasks and speed up the design process. I find it very helpful, especially when dealing with the copy paste function to update the rest, ensuring all changes are implemented consistently. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.